Hello, Glenn Corbett from Teagasc in Galway here, and I'm on the farm with Kenneth Keevy from Green Earth Organics in Currendullah. And today I have Joe Larkin with me from Kilrekill in Loughrea, and Joe has a company involved in setting up and building polytunnels. So I'm going to ask Joe first, maybe what size a tunnel can a person start off if they're a beginner with growing crops and tunnel vegetables?
Okay, the normal size for a household would be something like 13 feet by 20. Most people go for that size. There are smaller. The one we're in here is a commercial tunnel. Now it's what you class a commercial tunnel. Once you go above 18 feet wide, you're kind of into the commercial tunnel. And you'd note there that the bars on the commercial tunnels are a big diameter, maybe up to 60 millimeters or so. But the only household hobby ones, the arcs would be somewhere around inch and a quarter or so. Most households, as I said, the 13 by 20 is suitable, but you can have a 10 by 15s for smaller areas. The thing is that people kind of wait until springtime to order these, and then there's a big rush all at the one time. Like, you know, if the preparation was done in the autumn or very early winter, you know, you're kind of set up for the following year or that. Anything you can grow in a glass house, you can grow in a tunnel. And the main advantage of tunnels is you start earlier and you prolong the cropping season later into the year, into the early winter and that. And there are varieties of, as you see this tunnel here, there are varieties of different salads and vegetables you can grow with what are called short day seeds, and they will grow right through the winter. You can't grow everything right through the winter, but you can grow a selection of salads and other crops during the winter. The ordinary hobby tunnels are just set up by putting anchor bars into the ground, which go in about 22 inches into the ground, no concrete involved. The rib fits into that. You have your, like here, the top ridge bar. Sometimes you have these crop bars required, mainly for tying up tomatoes. On those bigger tunnels here, such as this one here, you can see these are set in concrete. But you're talking about 7-8 meter wide tunnels at that stage, like, you know, so the smaller ones don't need the concrete. As I said, the main advantage is earlier cropping and later cropping in the year.